On the road to Akron BMX for opening day. It's about to be a blast. All right, I'm here. Let's check out the track before I get on it. Let's talk to the man of the day, the man that runs everything. Yeah. He said don't put him on camera. He's too pretty to be on camera. He don't got his makeup on today. Let's check out the track, man. Looking good. All right, so this week they're gonna start laying out a slurry. So this is just the, of course, the rough with it being rolled. But goes Paige. All right, so we got a nice nice layout. I mean, it's a lot of it's different. I mean, if you've ever been to Akron, track's kind of been the same for a while, but it's a lot different now.
Attention, new truck and SUV shoppers. Factories are slow. New vehicles are scarce, and over 2,000 are in demand in Stowe and surrounding areas alone. All
right, we're about to walk the whole track the right way. All right, out of the gate, you got to step up a roller, then it's a nice table. Then we're going to another step up here into the first turn. Got a nice, big, sweeping first turn. Over here to your decision maker out of that first turn. So you got the amateur side here on the left. I guess what's considered the pro side.
We need those to run.
Nice.
What's up, Maurice?
What up? All right, we're still on the second straight here. Going to the second turn. Yeah, this turn is, I'm gonna walk up this bad boy. So you can see the whole track from up here. All right, we're in turn 2. And you can see the whole rebuild. So, third straight, tabletop, step up, going to the third turn. Rhythm section, table, step up. Of course, fourth turn, we got a little kind of like a hip roller, another step up, another little small double, and that's all you got. There's my boy. Yeah, there's Parker. Yes, sir. You'll see more of him in a little bit. But track is looking good. I tried to fall down this turn, so I'm gonna get on the track now.
Attention. Okay, riders, ramp start. Riders ready, watch the gate. All right, we got about 45 more minutes to practice the registration. If you have not yet got a license for registration, you may want to do that. Also, for those of you who have not heard or been on the track, on the second race, we do have a pro set, and now an amateur side as well. So all you little ones, head towards the inside. The outside that is toned off is your pro side. Expert.
Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
Dude, it's like doing squats over and over again. It's nuts.
Get the truck, Trey. Get it done on the 20. Okay, riders, random start. Riders ready, watch the gate.
Locked and loaded. Here we go, 31-35 cruiser. We should have Bryce, Maurice, Garrett, Tyler, and all right, our father novices, we're missing on you guys in staging. Come on in the staging. We're on Moto 10. If you're just in Moto 20, you should already be up in staging. All right, I gotta go cut number 2 on down this, followed by the 36 ride. Go cut 2 is Garrett Donovan on the top side of this thing, showing how it's done. Top 2 going straight to the main. Yeah, Garrett's coming in strong here. Coming over from PA, showing what's up.
All right, next lap I got it. I'm tired. Can you tell?
Riders ready, watch the gate.
Loading the gate right now, over 10, 31-35. Busting on that first down. Oh yeah. Got Coach Maurice out there right now showing what's up. LBO right there. LBO making the show. Maurice Adams out front. We got Starcher in the 2 spot. Get a little bit of pressure now. Right now though, it's the man, the myth, the legend, bringing it on home. Maurice Adams. Tyler, hang on to that thing. Tyler, Starcher, Steve Ike. Gate man down, man, oh man, action side by side of that first jump. Power wheelie though on the inside. Here's Donovan. Yeah, still how it is. Garrett Donovan, Gold Cup number 10. Looking like a hot lap going on right now. Steve Ike in the 2 spot. Got Donovan, Ike. Top of the podium is going to be Garrett, bringing it on in for the win.
All right, you just saw the main. Took, I don't know, second, third place, can't remember. But I was like every other video, like, subscribe, comment, share. See you next time.